Hello students, hello बच्चों, hello everyone. Most welcome in Utkarsh classes. Today in this session, I am going to talk about amino acid. Yes, tricks and concept of amino acid. Let's start. This is picture of amino acid. Amino acid consists of two different groups. Yes, one is carboxyl group, one is amino group. That means one is acidic group, one is basic group. Acidic group, yes, donate proton H plus ion. So it is acidic group. Amino group receive proton H plus. So it is basic group. Two acidic and basic group present on the yes carbon. This is called as alpha carbon. This is called as alpha carbon. Alpha carbon consists two. Yes, one is acidic and one is basic moiety. Clear? Next, due to presence of both acidic and basic group, amino acid, yes, amino acid behave like amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric in nature. Both acidic and basic moiety present on alpha carbon. Clear? Next, this carbon, yes, this carbon consists or attached with different atom or group. One is hydrogen, one is carboxyl group, one is amino group, and one is alkyl, methyl, alkyl, and different alkyl moiety. So this carbon is called as asymmetric carbon, and asymmetric carbon is called as chiral. Yes, बच्चों, chiral. Chiral carbon is attached with four different atom or molecules, and due to chiral carbon, amino acid show optical isomerism except one, glycine. Yes, keep in your mind, glycine does not show optical isomerism because there is no chiral carbon, no asymmetric carbon. Clear बच्चों? Okay, next topic is magic 20. There are 20 types of amino acid, yes, used in protein synthesis. This is called as magic 20. Yes. How can you remember it? Multi-HP gas service. Multi-HP gas service. This is a simple mnemonic. Multi-HP gas service. M. Methionine. A. Alanine. Asparagine. Aspartic acid. Arginine. L. Lysine. Leucine. T. Tryptophan. Tyrosine. Threonine. I. Isoleucine. H. Histidine. This is multi. H. Histidine. P. Proline. Phenylalanine. G. Glycine. Glutamic acid and glutamine. S. Serine. V. Valine. And C. Cysteine. The simple mnemonic, yes, multi-HP gas service. Multi-HP gas service. This is the complete account of amino acid. Yes, it is divided into three categories: essential, non-essential, and semi-essential. Essential, yes, total 8 in number. Isoleucine, methionine, tryptophan, leucine, phenylalanine, valine, lysine, and threonine. Non-essential, total 10. Alanine, cysteine, proline, glutamic acid, asparagine, glutamine, tyrosine, and glycine. And semi-essential, 2 in number: arginine and histidine. How can, yes, we remember these amino acids? Simple mnemonics. Yes, let's start. The first category is essential amino acid. Yes, बच्चों, essential. They are not synthesized within body system. They are obtained from outer source. Yes, they are obtained from diet. Yes. So they are called as essential amino acid. Correct? What is the mnemonics? How can you remember it? Very simple trick. 329 try. 329 try. 309 329 309 ट्राई ट्रिप्टोफेन, फिर भी हाथ न आई, फिर फिनाइलएलेनिन, हाथ हिस्टिडीन, आई आइसोल्यूसिन, ल्यूसी अग्रवाल लाई, ल्यूसी ल्यूसिन, अग्रवाल अग्र आर्जिनिन, वाल वैलिन, लाई लाइसिन, जोधपुर से मिठाई, मिठाई मिथ्योनिन. Yes, this is a simple trick. Yes, how can you remember essential amino acid? 329 ट्राई, फिर भी हाथ ना आई, ल्यूसी अग्रवाल लाई, जोधपुर से मिठाई. Clear? Total 10 in number. But if option in exam, yes, 8 and 10, then more correct option 8. Because 2, histidine and arginine are semi-essential. So correct option 8. But if given option 10, then correct 10. Yes, after semi-essential amino acid, essential amino acid 10 in number. If we not considered histidine and arginine. Clear बच्चों? Okay. Next is non-essential amino acid. Non-essential, that means they are not essential. Yes, they are synthesized within the body. They are not obtained from diet or outer source. So they are called as non-essential amino acid. The simple trick, look at pressure cooker. प्रेशर कुकर में क्या बनेगी? गैस. गैस से क्या बनेगा? प्रेशर. प्रेशर से क्या बजेगी? सीटी. GAS, ग्लाइसिन, ग्लूटामिक एसिड, ग्लूटामीन, एलेनिन, एस्पार्टिक एसिड, एस्पेरेजिन, एस सीरिन. प्रेशर से पी बच्चों प्रोलिन, सी सिस्टीन, टी टायरोसिन. द सिंपल न्यूमेनिक, यस, नॉन एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड. गैस, प्रेशर, सीटी. Gas, pressure, CT. Yes, example of non-essential amino acid. This is the list of non-essential amino acid. Okay. Next. Yes, next is semi-essential amino acid. बच्चों, semi-essential amino acid, that means, yes, थोड़ा है, थोड़े की और जरूरत है. थोड़ा है, थोड़े की और जरूरत है. That means they are synthesized within the body but not a sufficient amount. Yes, they are not a sufficient amount. Okay, so they are called as semi-essential amino acid. Look at picture. During growing child, yes, child required more amino acids because they are semi-essential. Two favorite example, arginine and histidine. Arginine and histidine are semi-essential amino acid. Clear? Okay. Now, the other example, neutral amino acid. Neutral amino acid. This is the structure part and this is example part. The simple trick, neutral amino acid. Neutral, that means non-polar. Yes, बच्चों, non-polar aliphatic R group. Non-polar, plus and minus, both charge on present on same amino acid, so they are non-polar. Aliphatic chain, so they are aliphatic group. Okay, the simple mnemonic, IPL गाँव में, IPL गाँव में, I isoleucine, P proline, L leucine, G glycine, A alanine, V valine and M methionine. The simple mnemonic IPL गाँव में, neutral amino acid. Neutral amino acid, yes, non-polar and aliphatic R group. Okay, next. Aromatic amino acid. Aromatic amino acid, yes, are called as non-polar. Non-polar. Yes, there are three structure. phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan. Aromatic, that means they consist aromatic ring. They consist aromatic ring. Look at benzene ring. Yes, aromatic ring. So they are called as aromatic amino acid. Aromatic amino acid usually mostly non-polar except one, tyrosine. Tyrosine is aromatic but polar amino acid. Yes, this is polar amino acid. What is the mnemonics? एरोप्लेन में टीटी, एरोप्लेन में टीटी, एरो that means aromatic, plane, phenylalanine, T, tryptophan, T, next T, tyrosine. Simple, aeroplane में TT, aromatic, plane, phenylalanine, T, tryptophan, T, tyrosine. Most complex, कोशिश बड़ी मुश्किल होती है, complex होती है, try. Tryptophan is most complex type of amino acid and glycine is simplest type of amino acid. Keep in your mind. Other trick is fat tire. Fat tire. Fat, phenylalanine, T, tryptophan, tire, tyrosine. This is a simple mnemonic. Yes, for amino acid belong to aromatic ring. Okay, बच्चों. Now, polar uncharged amino acid. Polar uncharged. Look at the structure. Polar uncharged R group. Yes, consists plus and minus both group. So they are uncharged or neutral, but they are polar. They are polar. How can you remember it? Look at pressure cooker. Again, gas CT. Gas CT. G glutamine. A asparagine. S serine. C cysteine, T threonine. Okay, they are polar uncharged amino acid. Clear? Now, very important, basic amino acid. Basic amino acid. Look at the structure part. Polar charge. Polar, that means positively charged. Positively charged, that means amino, 2 amino, 1 carboxyl, monocarboxylic, single carboxyl group, but diamino, 2 basic group. Basic group possess positive charge. They are diamino, so they are positive charge. So they are positive charge, polar charge. Okay, how can you remember these example? Simple mnemonic, बेहाल. बेहाल. यस, आप पोलर पर जाओगे बच्चों तो क्या हो जाओगे? बेहाल हो जाओगे. क्या हो जाओगे? बेहाल. बेसिक हाल, HAL, H histidine, A arginine, L lysine. Simple, बेहाल, basic amino acid. One important question. Yes, what is the sequence of BCCT? Halla. How can you remember it? Halla. Halla, that means more basic. Yes, lysine is more basic than histidine and arginine more basic than lysine. That means more basic arginine. Yes, less basic histidine. This is the sequence of basicity. This is sequence of basicity. Yes, of basic amino acid. The most important question. Clear? Okay, next move on. Acidic amino acid. Acidic amino acid. Clear? This is the picture of aspartate and glutamate amino acid. Yes. NH3 single. CO minus double. That means dicarboxylic group and single amino group. Carboxylic group consists negative charge. So they are negatively charged acidic amino acid. Yes, bachcho, they are polar but negatively charged acidic amino acid because dicarboxylic. So they are acidic. Okay, the simple aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Okay. Now, the important topic, alcoholic OH group amino acid. Alcoholic group. The simple mnemonic is, yes, alcohol is serious threat. Alcohol is serious threat. Alcohol. Alcoholic group, serious. Serine. Threat, threonine. This is the picture of alcoholic group. Yes, you can see CH2OH. Alcoholic group. This is alcoholic group, serine and threonine. Alcohol is serious threat. Alcoholic group, serine and threonine. Clear बच्चों? The simple mnemonic for alcoholic group. Now, important question, sulfur containing amino acid. Sulfur containing. Look at SH in cysteine, CH2SCH3 in methionine. The simple trick, super CM, super sulfur, C single in magic 20, C cysteine, M methionine. कोई डाउट नहीं होगा बच्चों, एक ही सी होता है, एक ही एम होता है. सी सिस्टीन को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, एम मिथ्योनिन को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. सल्फर कंटेनिंग अमीनो एसिड, सिंपल ट्रिक, सुपर सीएम, सल्फर, सिस्टीन एंड मिथ्योनिन. क्लियर बच्चों? ओके, नाउ द सेगमेंट इज heterocyclic amino acid. Heterocyclic, that means nitrogen containing heterocyclic ring. Nitrogen containing heterocyclic ring. So they are called as heterocyclic type of amino acid. Clear? And simple example, take pH. pH. P proline and H histidine. P proline and H histidine. Okay, now next move on. Amide containing amino acid. Amide containing CONH2 represent amide group. Amide group, that means CONH2. 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 The simple two example, asparagine and glutamine. Asparagine and glutamine. So easy. Amide containing, yes, asparagine and glutamine. Clear बच्चों? Now we talk about significance of amino acid. Yes, first is precursor. Precursor, that means pre-substance. Pre-substance. Auxin, indole acetic hormone. Auxin, plant hormone. Yes, what is the precursor of auxin? Pre-substance of auxin, tryptophan. Yes, tryptophan form auxin, indole acetic hormone. Very, very important question. Then adrenaline, noradrenaline, thyroxine. Trick, tire wali anti. Tire wali anti. Tire, tyrosine, anti, and noradrenaline. Yes, adrenaline, anti-thyroxine. Very, very important question. Yes, these hormones are synthesized by tyrosine amino acid. So, what is the precursor of auxin? Tryptophan. What is the precursor of adrenaline, noradrenaline and thyroxine? Tyrosine. Very, very important question. Tire wali anti. Okay. Next, anti याद रखना बच्चों. Next, histone. Histone octamer. Yes, binding. जो DNA को bind करता है. Histone protein consists two basic amino acid, arginine and lysine. Arginine and lysine present in histone octamer. Clear? This is the complete account of amino acid. Like, subscribe and share Utkarsh classes. Keep watching. Thank you so much. Good luck.